Hello, Sari stars. How are things going on in your sareeing world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, you're going to be delighted by a collection of beautiful saris with Aligarh patti work. Now, patti work is done by artisans in Aligarh and nearby areas. It's completely done by hand. The saris I'm going to showcase today are all done on kota in beautiful colors, just perfect for the summer. The first Pativat sari I'm going to showcase today is in a very lovely lavender mood kind of shade. This has been one of our most popular and best selling saris, and I know many of you are waiting for this one. So, this is how the sari looks. It's very beautiful, simply beautiful, and this sari we have called as lavender simply because of this beautiful lavender purple mood kind of shade that you see. So this is the beautiful body of the sari, and you find these floral and leaf kind of designs done like this in colors of two shades of purple, a lighter purple and a deeper purple. And we have also used sequins to enhance the beauty of the sari further. Now, one thing noteworthy about pati work is only flowers and leaf kind of motifs are done. It's a kind of applique work where the fabric is sewed onto the base fabric. Here, the base fabric is kota, and this is the grand pallu. We have done a jal kind of work with all over work, patti work, and it's done in shades of purple. Now the edges of the sari have this beautiful triangular applique done in a deep purple. This sari comes with a running blouse fabric like this with work which will come along the sleeves and the back. But you can pair it with a deep purple blouse also. That will also look very nice with this sari. The fabric used for the sari is kota, and it's very airy and breathable, and it's just perfect for the hot summer. I'm going to show you now my most favorite sari from this collection. Now, I wanted to share here that all the saris that I'm showcasing here are all our own designs, designed by Kalpavastram and executed by our women artisans in Aligarh. Now, we had done two series of this sari. This is called Roja, and this Roja sari was done in shades of pink in the first two or three versions. And this time I wanted to bring a little bit of change in the color. So we decided to try out white on pink, and I'm very pleased with the way our women artisans have executed this. It looks absolutely beautiful and absolutely fabulous. White putty work done on a very pastel and pretty baby pink kind of shade, again enhanced with sequins. Now if you see, this is the pallu of the sari. It's got a jal kind of work with white putty work on the pink base and enhanced with sequins. This is the body of the sari, and it's in pink, and it's got this beautiful floral and leaf motifs done in white and sequins running like this. And the edges of the sari, see white triangular putty work done along the edges, and this will come around the pallu portion. Right? So this is the beautiful pallu, and this is the beautiful body of the sari. You see floral putty work in a shade of white and enhanced with sequins, and they are adorning this pretty pink body. Again, the base fabric for the sari is kota, very light and very airy. This sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same pink, and it has some putty work done which will come on the sleeve area. But you can also pair it with a silver colored blouse or an off-white blouse. This is our second sari of the day. Another absolute favorite of mine is this sari, which we have called Rangili. This again is designed by Kalpavastram. As the name Rangili suggests, you see that it's having multicolored flowers all over a soothing off-white body, and it's got a peachish selvage like this, a peachish edge with putty work done in triangles. So you can see floral motifs in pink, yellow, green, red, and you have the leaf motifs done in green. So it's very pretty, very soothing. It's almost like you're in a garden and you're seeing all these flowers. So that's the kind of effect that the sari creates. And this is my personal favorite, one of my personal absolute favorites in patti work saris. And again, the sari has a running blouse fabric, and there is work which is done which you can use along the sleeves. But given that this is white and it's got all these multicolors, you can pair it with any blouse of your choice and create a different look each time you drape this beautiful, pretty, elegant patti work sari. These beautiful patti work saris that I have showcased here today are available on our website www.kalpavastram.com. All details regarding the sari, such as price, the length, the width, the color, etc., is described. And in case you still have any queries, please feel free to reach out to us on our WhatsApp number 9769971513. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and family. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.